The relentless flow of illegal entries and human smugglers persists along the South Texas border.
I got a horse trailer here. Send me a border patrol.
Criminal organizations have established numerous smuggling routes across the country, particularly in border towns.
That vehicle is in pursuit.
Once in Texas, smugglers transport migrants towards major metropolitan areas where they can blend into the local population. On September 20th, 2024, on I-35 in Salle County, DPS troopers made a traffic stop on a truck hauling lumber.
Is this your truck?
No.
No? Whose truck is this?
It's the company truck.
What company do you work with?
I don't know because I barely started, so it's like one of my first trips out of town.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know how much weight you're carrying?
No.
No? Okay. What do they use these for? Do you know?
For the fence.
For the fences?
Yeah.
Do you have anything illegal inside the vehicle?
No.
No, anything?
No.
Anything illegal inside the wood here?
No, sir.
Nothing at all? Okay. You gave me consent to search the vehicle and everything inside of it. Morning.
Morning, sir. How are you doing today?
Good, sir. Yourself?
Good. Ready to work?
That's what I'm talking about. Turn around.
The moment the trooper realizes
Turn around.
there are people hiding within a compartment,
Put your hands behind your back.
he places the man under arrest.
You're under arrest for human smuggling.
¿Está todos bien? Sí.
I think that's good, man. ¿Cuántos son? 5.
Chequense, todos bien, están todos bien de salud.
The suspect was charged with 5 counts of smuggling persons with the likelihood of serious injury.
Aquí siéntense enseguida, por favor. Estírese los pies.
The 5 undocumented individuals crammed in the lumber were referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. This incident underscores the grave dangers associated with illegal immigration, where human smugglers often endanger the lives of undocumented migrants by transporting them in confined and unsafe spaces. To explore more videos demonstrating law enforcement support in border security, simply click on any of the thumbnails displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.